Hello everyone, and thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair TV. We've got a new product that we're going to unbox for you and tell you a little bit about it. So we're going to give you our first impressions, and this is the ProMat RS30 by Rewa REFOX. And as you can see here, it's an ESD repair heat mat. So we in this industry use these mats to perform our repairs, and they're also good because they don't conduct electricity. They're made out of tough silicone, and some of the nice ones out there give you a part in the back where you can use for storage, and they have magnetics, etc. We have a few of them in different table setups that we have, but looking at this one, just off the bat, you have 3 different color choices, which is kind of cool. We're all used to primarily the light blue. You do have the light blue, you have the green, and you have the gray. And you can see that here, where you have the different choices. So we got the gray just because we normally have blue, so that was nice. So you can get the green if you like the green. But this is what this product will do for you, besides having a working surface. It'll work to heat up. It's anti-static, as always. It's magnetic. We'll show you a little bit about that. Anti-smudge, and it's heat resistant. And of course, like Rewa always says, just for repair. So their products are only designed for repair work. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So here we have our little tab. We're going to pull that down. That makes it come off. Same thing on this side. Okay. Set it down. Let's get this guy out of here. And we have user manual. We'll tell you a little bit about what this does here. This is really cool. Product information. And let's see, it does come with heat function. This is really cool. It's got a thermostat, so it's got temperature control. You can actually control the temperature that way. Magnetic suction pad, and it's telling you that it's treated with nano photo oxygen spraying, which is smooth, not easy to get dirty, and it's also anti-static. High temperature resistant silicone, and all that information is in there. It'll give you some steps for usage. We're just going to basically go over that, skip that for now, and then just go ahead and unbox it for you so you can see what we have here. So here it is in plastic, and wow, it's a nice size mat. Let's take the plastic out. So the surface area, you've got 11 inches this way, and you have just under 18 inches this way. It's nice size mat. Okay, so this mat is going to replace our previous mat that we used on this table. We have a few working areas. You know, we may just get more of these, and I'll probably get the green next also. So let's put it in there because this will be a new home, just right where you see it. And let's go ahead and put this box back here again. Continue unboxing whatever's left in there. So we've got our AC adapter here. That's going to plug into the wall. And yours might be a little bit different depending on the country that you live in. So this will connect here, and your USB will connect here, just like so. So the cable is very thick. It's very good build and very good quality. Actually, the mat, what I really like about it too is that the build is really good. I mean, this is really thick, okay? You compare that to the different mats out there, and I'll show you just for comparison purposes, okay? You see the difference, right? Look at that. I mean, this is very, very thick and strong, so it's built really nicely. One thing I know you're all going to love is the price. These things are priced very affordable for you, but you plug it in, get your AC adapter plugged in. Like I mentioned, the cable is nice and thick, and then you have your thermostat control on here. So you have your power and you have your up and down temperature. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see. Okay, we got it plugged in right now. Before we turn it on and go over one of the key features with this ProMat RS30 is the surface that you have here for heating. So this particular mat will replace up to 3 different tools. One of them is the working mat, of course. You already saw we took our light blue one out of here, so it's replacing that. The second one is it'll replace a holder for your tips. So we have our tips here. Ours are actually going to go right along the lines here. And the third thing it's going to replace is a heat pad. And here's why. This heat pad that you see here measures just 10 inches and a quarter, 10 and a quarter inch. That would be in centimeters, roughly 26 centimeters, okay? This way, you've got 7.5 inches, and in centimeters, you've got about 19 centimeters. So it's going to replace this. So guess what's happening with this? It's gone. It's going away. Here's why. You've got approximately, let's put it over close to the lines, approximately 8.5 inches, and you have just under 7 inches. So very similar in size to what we had here, but without having the bulkiness. You don't have to worry about having something in the way, and you can actually make more use of your workspace. So you got a mat here, and you got a working area here for heat, which, as we know it, when you're repairing electronics, you need heat. Before we turn on the heat and show you something that we really like about it, is you have this magnetic strip on the back. So, and it goes all the way just short of the end. Now the reason it doesn't go up to the end is because in here, this little square area, there's electronics in here. This is not, I know at first I thought it was something you can open to put tools in there, but it's not. It's just sensitive electronics in there for your heat. But nice working heat area. You got a magnet strip all the way in the back, so you can put your screws and any metals in here, pieces, parts, and they're not going to go anywhere because there's a magnet there. So we have our area to put our drivers, just like you're seeing now. And if you missed the video we made previously, we made a video on these tips. So check it out, because these are also made by Rewa company. What I really like about the heat when you first turn it on is it automatically defaults to 80 degrees Celsius. So you're gonna turn it on, and whatever the temperature is, right now it's starting off at 27, 28, and you see it's going up 30.1, and it's climbing and climbing. So I wanted to pull this closer to the camera so I can show you the accuracy. Right now it's reading 44.2, and what it's actually reading here might be delayed by 1 or 2 seconds. But we got our regular thermometer here, our laser thermometer, and we're going to compare the temperature that we're reading, and you can see that it's just very accurate, you see? So very accurate. Look at that. Very accurate. So as far as the actual temperature compared to what we were getting, A+, guys, good job. So we're going to be using this as our working mat and also as our heat mat, and we're going to start using it right away. In the future, very soon, we will be reviewing another product that we got from them, and it is this product right here. This is just something we got, and it's the RS30. It is a device that we are going to be using also for removing back glass on Samsung phones, and also removing the screens on many phones, including the iPhone 12 and 13 series. If you don't want to use a heat plate, you can apply heat using this. But it's also got a surprise on the bottom, and we will very soon be unboxing this one and also giving you our initial thoughts, just like we did with the ProMat RS30. So thank you very much, guys. Very soon, be on the lookout for this video where we're going to unbox it and give you our initial thoughts. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and don't forget, we will be putting a link to the description of the products we just reviewed, so check them out below.